Drug use and cheating. Harry shocked as Chelsy Devy leaks real reason of their breakup. It's not press intrusion. In an interview, Chelsy Devy criticized Harry for dragging her into unflattering scandals and said he disrespected her. She also revealed that the reason she rejected Harry was because he was addicted to opium. Prince Harry's relationship with Chelsy Devy, the woman he loved before Meghan, broke down due to repeated intrusions into their personal lives, according to court documents. The pair dated on and off between 2004 and 2010 and broke up for good when Devy decided a royal life was just not for her. A series of stories detailing private information Devy and the Duke of Sussex were published as a result of alleged unlawful information gathering by journalists at the Mirror Group newspapers. This has been revealed on the first day of Harry's privacy lawsuit in the UK. The publisher of The Mirror have since unreservedly apologized to Prince Harry for an instance of unlawful information gathering, the High Court has been told. Quote, where historical wrongdoing has taken place, we have made admissions, take full responsibility, and apologize unreservedly, but we will vigorously defend against allegations of wrongdoing where our journalists acted lawfully. MGN is now part of a very different company. We are committed to acting with integrity, and our objective in this trial is to allow both the businesses and our journalists to move forward from events that took place many years ago. Harry is one of several high-profile celebrities bringing damages claims against the publishing group. The court heard the Duke become immediately suspicious of anyone named in stories about him and felt he couldn't trust anyone. It also caused great challenges in his relationship with his ex-girlfriend, Chelsy Devy, and made him fear for his and her safety. Every time he was in a relationship, or even a rumored relationship, the whole person's family and often their friends would be dragged into the chaos and find themselves the subject of unlawful activity on behalf of MGN. There was nowhere that was off limits for MGN's newspapers, whose journalists would even manage to book into a hotel in Batarudo, a small island off the coast of Mozambique, when the Duke of Sussex and Miss Devy tried to escape there and enjoy some peace and quiet. They were never on their own, which placed a huge amount of unnecessary stress and strain on their relationship. Ultimately, MGN's activities led Miss Devy to make the decision that a royal life was just not for her, which was incredibly upsetting for the Duke of Sussex at the time. They also caused their circle of friends to become smaller and smaller, meaning that friendships were lost entirely unnecessarily, and led to huge bouts of depression and paranoia. In his memoir, Spare, Harry spoke about the breakdown of his relationship with Devy. They first met at a Berkshire Polo Club when they were younger, but reconnected when he was staying in Cape Town in 2004 with some friends and was looking for some people to have dinner with. He remembered Devy lived there, specifically because she was different. Harry even gave her advice on how to deal with the paparazzi, sharing he'd advise her to treat it like a chronic illness, something to be managed. But she wasn't sure she wanted to have a chronic illness, he said. After one instance of the couple being bombarded by the press at Heathrow Airport, Harry put the chances at 50-50, maybe 60-40, that he'd never see Devy again. Odds were the press would cost me another person I cared about. I tried to reassure myself that it was fine, but I didn't really have time for a relationship anyway.